The house was built in 1860, so it's been sitting here a long time. It's been empty for several years, and we are refurbishing it as a holiday let. Originally the whole house was damp. That was damp from well wet at the bottom and damp up to about 2 foot high, and that's now drying out. It will be dry lined, so we get an air gap in as well, so that should sort the job out. But it was originally done with a drilled and squirted damp course round the base of the chimney, the same as the rest of this piece of the house. The injecting has failed. That's what failed originally. It was drilled and injected. So there was not a lot of point in doing the same again. So we might as well try something different. Well, we saw Core at first place at the Farm Innovation Show, so that was a good chance for an introduction and discussion about it. Thought it was intriguing, and as we'd already got an earlier system that had failed, it was probably worth a punt to have a go with this one. And now, 12 months on, we've got dry walls, and considering the wet winter we've had, wet autumn and winter, I think that's probably quite an achievement. So yeah, let's hope it keeps going for the next 20 years.